Let's solve this absolute value equation. We want to start by drawing a number line. Now we want to mark off the x values where the expressions inside of each absolute value change from positive to negative or negative to positive. So x squared minus 4 changes signs at plus and minus 2, and x minus 5 changes signs at x is equal to 5. So we've got 3 crossover points. Therefore, we need to analyze this equation in 4 regions. Let's start with this region when x is greater than or equal to 5. In this case, x squared minus 4 is always positive, and x minus 5 is positive or 0. So we can just remove both absolute values. Now applying the quadratic formula. In this case, the solutions are going to be non-real. We aren't including non-real solutions, so when x is greater than or equal to 5, there's no solution to this equation. Now let's check this region. When x is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 2. In this case, x squared minus 4 is positive or 0, so we can just remove the absolute value. And x minus 5 is always negative, so we can remove the absolute value and put a minus sign out front. Applying the quadratic formula. So these are 2 potential solutions. We just need to check and see if they are within this range. Minus 3 plus the square root of 17 divided by 2 is not, and neither is minus 3 minus the square root of 17 divided by 2. So we can't say that either one of these are solutions. Now let's check this region. When x is less than 2 and greater than minus 2. In this case, the expressions inside both absolute values are negative. So we remove the absolute values, put a minus sign out front, adding x squared to both sides, subtracting 2x from both sides. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Applying the quadratic formula. 3 plus the square root of 33 divided by 2 is not within this range, but 3 minus the square root of 33 divided by 2 is. So this is a solution. Now let's check this last region. When x is less than or equal to minus 2. In this case, x squared minus 4 is positive or 0, and x minus 5 is negative. Well, we already solved this equation and got these 2 solutions. None of them checked out with the corresponding interval. But now let's compare the solutions to this interval. Minus 3 plus the square root of 17 divided by 2 doesn't check out, but minus 3 minus the square root of 17 divided by 2 does. So this is a solution as well. So we've checked all possible x values, and these are the 2 solutions to this absolute value equation.